And like all our other set screws, we'll give it just a touch of lock. That's really smooth as butter. It'll get a little more tension when you have the motor on it. Okay, so after a quick cleaning and quick paint job, we'll go ahead and put this guard back together. That's back where it needs to be. Last but not least, we do need to make a spacer to go cover up this hole here. Obviously it was lost a long time ago. I do have some Lexan, so I'm going to try to cut a piece of Lexan to get it sit in there. Generally they're plastic. I don't know what this would have had, aluminum or who knows what. So we're going to try a piece of Lexan. Just make a couple quick easy measurements here and we'll battery's dead in this caliper, but it's okay. Sorry, vernier. I just scratched a mark on the Lexan there, so we'll take it over to the bandsaw and cut that out, and then we'll worry about shaping it. Alright, so we just cut that out of a piece of cardstock-like paper. We're going to use this number 2 plumb hammer. There's a job for every hammer. Hopefully I can hold this and make it work. We'll do one side at a time. And we'll just take the scissors. Yeah, I think we're close enough. I'm going to do the same for this side. It's a little big, it needs a little trim, but I think that'll work. Get it transferred over to here, get it cut out, and we'll really shape it on the belt sander. I think I got a little too wide over here. That's okay. Go ahead and get this laid out over here. Yeah, my paper's a little wider than what I needed. It's okay. One of the rare times that I'm going to say the scroll saw will work best for this. Alright, better success on that side. Either way, we'll take it over here to the belt sander and clean it up. Alright, so we got it back. I'm doing a little sanding. It's kind of nice. That'll fit right in there, fill that space. We'll add a little stiffener across the back. I think that'll take some flex out of it. You can't really move left and right. It's fitting there fairly decent for what it is. But if we just stiffen it up a little bit, I think it'd be a lot better. So we'll go ahead and make a little stiffener for it, but other than that, we're going to call it done. Okay, as you seen in the video, we've got it back up and working. The guard did need a little adjustment. I think I got it kind of bent now, but it's lining up and it's doing its job. Ultimately, I think it's going to get removed. Placed down there seems more of a hazard than really anything else on this. I do have a little concern about the switch being in the back of the machine, but I did find a new use for the push stick. The push stick reached the switch no problem. So I may move a switch to the front, but by use of the push stick, I may not have to. I don't know. We'll decide on that a little further down the road. I would like to put some extensions on this. I'm thinking a couple pieces of aluminum grating is what I'm thinking right now. Unless I come up, the odds of me coming up with the original ones are pretty slim to none, and I'm probably not going to want to dish out the money that someone's going to ask for a set. So either I'll find a set off of something else, a Craftsman or a newer model, and try to retrofit, or just get a couple pieces of aluminum grating that might do the trick, maybe better than what's normally put on here. Cost might be a little high unless I find some scrap pieces and make it work. It won't take much, but just a little bit wider would make for a more handier machine. And I'm kind of pushing inconsistently on it. I'm not keeping a good steady feed to it, so it's going to take me a little practice to get good with this. And I do have kind of an economy blade on there. I didn't want to dish out any big money for a blade for something I didn't even know if it was going to work. So I bought a $12 Amazon blade. We'll of course use it till it quits, but we may look into getting a little better set when we get a little more comfortable with it. I think that about end it for this series. If I do add the extensions or the switch, I will include that on a later date. But hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them, or if you have one, be glad to hear it. Well, thank you for watching. We'll bring this series to a close for right now. If you would, hit the like and subscribe button, be much appreciated. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you the next time.